we're going to introduce how to set up the tightening torque on the intelligent counting screwdriver. Now we are at the main menu, which has 3 sets of parameters. The NUM means the current counting number of finished process, which will always default 0 when you start and add 1 after you finish a successful process. The second number, RT, means the real-time torque, which helps you monitor the torque during the fastening process. And the third number, ST, means the setup torque by user, which is the final tightening torque you want to set. So now we can push the lever and run it, see what's going to happen. So basically, the middle number, RT, is changing to show the real-time torque measured. So now if you want to change the value of the tightening torque, how are you going to do it? There are 3 buttons total on the panel: Mode, Add, and Shift. So press Mode to get into the setup menu. By pressing Shift, you can move to the lower options. So now we move to the General Set. And then you press Mode again to enter. Then you can switch to the different options by pressing Shift under this list. So now we are at the TQ value, which means the tightening torque. Then press Mode to enter and set up the value. So when you enter there, by pressing Add, you can change the number. And after you finish setting up one number, by pressing Shift to move to the next one. After you finish setup, press Mode to save it. Now we can move to the other parameter settings by pressing Shift. Repeat the same process for value setup and press Mode after the value is set. So TC is the in-position torque. Basically, it's for the system to detect if your screw is really getting to the thread hole. When this torque detected, the system will know the fastening process started, and then through the internal smart control, it will find and optimize the speed distribution for the whole process. The in-position torque is usually a default value. You don't need to change it every time unless required. So now we move to the TK, the tightening maintaining time, which means when the system detects the tightening torque is reached, how long you want the torque be maintained in order to secure the screw lock. So after you set up all the value, press Add to return to the main menu. And now your screwdriver is ready to use.